Welcome once again to Blog Expression. Here's my meal. Fresh. Well, halfway fresh. The fish is pre-cooked. It's simmering. That is plantain right there. And that is my garden beans and snap peas along with some fish. I also have potatoes sitting on the side over here boiling. It's going to be a big meal for a long day. Preparing my food myself, more healthier. That's what I do every day. Try to eat healthy. Okay, here's the end results. This is my evening meal. That's my stir fry right there. Some of that's from my fresh garden. That's the potatoes right there. I got some plantains. And I have some fish right there. Also have the drink. That is some lime coconut water from fresh coconut that I juice. And with a little bit of honey in it for flavor. It's a big meal for a big person. I have a big appetite. I burn a lot of energy. Peace. As you can see, this is the seeded watermelon, not the seedless. It's going to be juice completely, seeds and all, rind also. Welcome once again to Brown Expression, where I'll be showing you my juicing this morning. All these vegetables have seeds in it. Watermelon. This is the process I'm going to. I'm in the process of juicing organic carrots. I also just finished a coconut, juicing the coconut. So this is my process. I'm going to be doing my juicing. I'll start off my day with fresh vegetables in my system. And by the way, I haven't had breakfast this morning. The only thing I had was a cup of chamomile tea. So stay tuned for the finished results of all of these. We'll turn into a juice as I start off my daily day. From blessed day. Change your diet and take care of one another. Peace.